Welcome back, fam. I have the Bose Soundlink Flex 2 versus the JBL Flip 6 and two sound tests for you. The first one is going to be done outside, 10 feet away from the microphone, max volume. The EQ is going to be flat. What you hear is what you get. Test 2, indoors, 5 feet away from the microphone. The EQ will be on bass boost, and for the JBL, I tried to match that as close as possible. Volume around 70 to 80%. So after we check that out, I'm gonna let you know between which test, which speaker I feel like did the best in which environment and why.
I am number one, not number two. If I'm not the one, I'm uncomfortable. See the competition I've been running through. Leveled up, I only see them in my rear view. Switch. Yeah, I'm ballin'. Yeah, I'm ballin'. Been ballin'. Switch. Yeah, I'm ballin'. Yeah, I'm ballin'. Been ballin'. I'm winning, get buckets from the court side to the nosebleeds. Yeah, they love it. Yeah, they love it. I'm winning, get buckets from the first in and the last out, see me coming. First take, I'm hotter than hot. Hotter than some boiling water, I bubble the pot. Team full of ballers, baby, we winning a lot. I'm like Curry with the rock when I get to my spot. I'm tapping in, I'm passionate. This is what passion is. This here, nah, this is no accident. From the start to the finish, I'm cashing in.
So with the first sound test outdoors, I felt like the Bose outperformed the JBL. With that flat EQ, the presence was just, to me, a lot better. Outside, even with the wind and all that stuff, the presence of the sound just was above the JBL's quality. For sound test 2, the JBL outperformed the Bose, in my opinion, of course. When the EQ was flat, the Bose, to me, performed better, but once the EQ was applied to the speaker, JBL just shines with EQs. So I'm not too surprised. When I heard it back, when I listened back to it, I'm like, yeah, that EQ just changes everything with the JBL. A lot more punchy than the Bose. The Bose didn't sound bad, but if you're really gonna be applying like EQs and stuff like that, the JBL is gonna be pretty tough to beat. All right, fam, you heard my opinion on both. Let me know yours. Until next time, I'm Dave Banter. We out.